Hello, everyone. Today we will learn present indefinite tense. This tense is used to talk about daily routine, habits, and facts. What is present indefinite tense? We use this tense to talk about the things we do every day or our daily routine. Rules to make sentences in present indefinite tense. Rule number 1. The helping verbs of this tense are do and does. Rule number 2. We use does with he, she, it, and singular. We use do with I, we, you, they, and plural. For action verbs. When we talk about he, she, it, and singular, we add s or es with action verb, we make it plural. When we talk about I, we, they, you, and plural, the action verbs stay same. We don't make it plural. Important rule. With the use of does, we don't add s or es with action verbs in a sentence. See these examples. For interrogative sentence, we add helping verbs at the start of the sentence to make questions. Look at these examples. Do you like milk? Does she play cricket?